Hello and welcome to math.marble. Today we're doing simplifying algebraic expressions in our algebra unit, and this is part 1 of this series. So let's get into it. Question 1. 6x minus 4x minus 5 plus 2. So here what we do is we collect like terms. So that means we just take out like the x's and we put them together, and the numbers and we put them together. Like squares, we put them together. So we first take out squares and then we add them or subtract them together, or judging by their sign. And then we do our x's and we add or subtract them, and then our numbers. And we put them in the ranging order from squares to numbers. So let's do that. So we're going to write an equal sign. So here in this question, what we do first is we're going to subtract our x's. So 6x minus 4x. So 6 minus 4 is 2. So 6x minus 4x is 2x. And then negative 5 plus 2. So negative 5 plus 2 would be negative 3. So that means 2x minus 3. So that's our answer for our first simplifying question. So it's simple as that. We just take our x's and we put them together. Our numbers, we put them together. And our squares. So question 2, x squared minus 2x plus 3 plus 2x squared plus 4x minus 5. And that's a question mark, not a 2. So x squared and 2x squared, we have addition, so we add them together. So x squared plus 2x squared equals 3x squared. And then negative 2x, and then we have 4x. So negative 2x plus 4x, it's plus 2x, and then we have positive 3, so plus 3, 3 minus 5, 3 minus 5 is negative 2, so we're going to put minus 2. So 3x squared plus 2x minus 2. And that's our answer for question 2. So now let's go to question 3. Brackets negative 15x squared plus 7x minus 3, and then minus bracket 3 minus 5x plus 7x squared. So now we're going to simplify this. So first, we're going to rewrite this down here. And then here we need to break our brackets so we can do it. We can solve it. So we would apply our negative sign into our portion. So let's keep that aside and let's first rewrite this portion. So negative 15x squared plus 7x minus 3. And then here, we're going to use this as a guide. I've already shown this in our evaluating algebraic expressions unit. So same symbol multiplied by same symbol equals positive. Positive multiplied by negative equals negative. So here, to break our bracket, we need to multiply this portion by our negative sign. So let's do that. So negative times positive 3 is a negative 3. So I'm going to write negative 3. Negative times negative 5x. So negative into negative is positive. And then 5x. And then negative multiplied by positive 7x squared. It equals a negative. So negative 7x squared. And so now we're going to simplify this. So first of all, let's reorder this because we just have a jumbled up mess of numbers. So we're going to put our squares first and then x's and then numbers. So negative 15x squared, we're going to rewrite that. So negative 15x squared. And then we have minus 7x squared. And then we have plus 7x. And then plus 5x. Minus 3, and then minus 3 again. So now we can just solve it. So we do our squares first, and then our x's, and then our regular numbers. So you can write another equal sign. So negative 15x squared minus 7x squared. So negative 15 minus 7 would be negative 22. So it's just adding both of these numbers and then putting our negative sign in the front. So negative 22, then we just write down x squared. So negative 22x squared. And then 7x plus 5x. 7x plus 5x is 12x. So we're going to put plus 12x. And then minus 3 is negative 6. We just add these two numbers and then put our negative sign in front. So minus 6. And this is our answer for our question. This question simplified is equal to negative 22x squared plus 12x minus 6. So now that's it for today. So we've linked our previous videos in the description where we go into our positives and negatives, and some other videos that'll really help you with these kind of questions, and videos further on from here. So thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos, like and share, and that's it for today. Bye!